Hello everyone, my name is Black Eyed Wolf here, and today we're playing this game called Phantoms. I had a key sent to me by the devs, and we're gonna test this game out, and if it goes right, I could probably do some giveaways for this game if you guys like. But for now, we're just gonna play it and see how this game goes.
Let's go!
I am on my way to visit my good friend. He's been asking strange questions and becoming strictly obsessed with some sort of god. People in his town have been going missing. I'm ready, but first I will go to a different train car. Something here makes me sick. Ooh, I like this kind of game style. Wonder why. You're here with a bunch of people. Okay, let's go. Welcome. It's time to get out this train car. Use WASD to move and E to interact with anything you can see. Alright, I kind of knew that, but let's go. If you guys want to see this, hit that like button and I will see if I can do a video of this game. Let's go. Okay. What was that noise? That door did not look too good. Looks like just a killer. I don't know what that is. I'm running.
Huh?
Hello, ma'am. Okay. Isn't there supposed to be a door there? Run. Okay. That got me. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Hello.
What do you want? The broken electrical engine is before me. I must fix it before. Okay, what did I do? You should stay away from him. Okay. Okay, so I gotta find the tool for this.
Come on, man!
Oh, the conductor. My mind was moving too fast there for me. Okay, we got to blur this because I don't know if YouTube will allow this stuff. I found a tool I can only carry with one at a time. Okay, so I got duct tape. Wait from you. Oh, what the?
Huh?
One more. Okay.
Oh, hello there!
No.
Huh?
Go. Oh, please don't. There's nothing in there. Did we check this room yet? Yes, we did.
Hello.
Oh, what the?
Huh?
Oh. Oh, I don't want to be with him momentarily. Okay, I gotta let him. Oh, I found the tool. Okay. Not look behind me. Come on. Gotta get in here because the crouching is so slow in this. Come on.
Huh? Huh?
It's so loud. Okay. I ran for a little bit. Come on. What did he sound like? Behind me? Do I have time? You camping in a safe place for too long. Personally, I will advise you to get out there and fix that engine because it will. I know. Yeah, that's why. Fucker. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's get this engine fixed. The light's on, I see the light. What the fuck? I pushed it with my might, but the door refused to move. Well, what peel? No other choice but to try the other door in the opposite side. Of course you say that. I'm not camping in a safe place. Nope. I don't even know what that said.
Hey, boss!
Oh. Please don't turn around. Okay. Been following him for a bit. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that on YouTube. What did he... Run. Oh!
Huh?
Okay. Oh. It is you, one chosen by your kin. Know you this. I will not let this happen. Yet feel free to try as many times as you can, and I will see you fail each time. Okay. Well, I guess that's level 1. I guess that's it for level 1. If you guys want to see level 2, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.